Okay, so as I was searching for reviews on online for the different um, battery chargers out there, I had a hard time finding any for the Fanttik T8 Max, the 4000 amp version. So thought I'd make a video. This will just be the unboxing. I might do kind of a review once I've had a chance to view it a little bit and mess with it. Actually try it out, see how it works. Um, I also got the Gulu 4000 amp that competes with this one. Uh, Gets really great reviews on Amazon, gets really good reviews online. But I didn't see quite as many reviews for the Fanttik, but I've got some other Fanttik products that have worked out really well for me in the past. So thought I'd give this one a try, as well as the Gulu, and then maybe after I give them both a try and see how they work out, I could do like a comparison video of those. So just want to try to help out with people that might be looking for this type of product online, so you can kind of see before you order it what you're in for. So I know that's helpful for me a lot, so I always like to check out what people have found online, all that good stuff. So bust this thing open here. All right. So the packaging I always with Fanttik is always really nice. They do a nice job. It's good quality, and the presentation is nice. You can tell they take some pride in that. So, all right. So this is the unit itself. Got a little bit of that protective plastic on it there. I'll just set it here so you can take a look at it. Get some up close. Looks like you got there's your ports for the USB charging, and then your port for the battery charger itself. And then some quick start instructions. That's kind of nice when you're out on the side of the road. Be handy to have. So, all right. Turn it on. Looks like it's got 77%. There's the light. Oh, thing's bright. Couple little modes there. So that's what you get. Build quality, I mean, it's what you'd expect from Fanttik. It's got nice rubber feet all around on the bottom. All of this I'm pretty sure it's IP65 rated. So it's waterproof. You got the little waterproof covers on the ports there. I'll set that right here and then see what else comes in the package here. You get another quick start guide right here. That's kind of handy. Try to leave that at the house though. Okay. Then you get, here are the leads themselves to connect to your battery in your car. This is surprisingly really well built. Feels the springs on them are really good. All the materials seem to be really good quality. It's good. So actually, I guess it's not surprising because the other Fanttik stuff I have is really well built. So, all right, you also get a car cigarette lighter charger adapter, and this is, so it's a USB-C, but it is hardwired into the adapter, but you do get a USB port right there that you can use for charging or other things. Let's see here. And then you also get a nice, good quality with a little cable tie, Velcro cable tie, USB-C to USB-C with that. So overall, looks pretty good. We'll see, like I say, we'll see how it performs, and maybe I'll get some real world experience with that and make a video on that, so kind of help people out as they're looking for the best place to spend their money. This one, I think it runs like a couple $100 on Amazon. Of course, they always have deals. I think I actually got this one like a bundle, this and one of their inflators for like $150 or something like that. So it was a pretty good deal. So they always have coupons or running some kind of sale or something, but this was probably the best deal on that one right there. And I think you can generally get that Gulu one for about $100 too. I think they generally run a little bit cheaper, and I'm wondering if that may be why people haven't compared these as much. Maybe the Fanttik is a little bit more expensive. I don't know, but when I purchased them, they were about in the same price range. So, like I say, I got one for my car and one for my wife's car. So thought I'd just try them both out, see how they work. So, you know, I mean, if you've got any questions or anything, drop them in the comments, and, you know, anything specific, I can answer after the fact. So that's pretty much it for this. Just wanted to share what is actually in the box. So thanks.